Eric Richardson is volunteering his time this week to support his friend Dave Johnson and the rest of the team at the country club. For Richardson, who has volunteered at multiple majors already, being a part of the crew this week is a learning opportunity, both personally and professionally.
For me, it's actually the camaraderie and meeting the new young assistants, the new young interns, and actually just seeing the passion they have for our industry. I've been telling that to my assistants. I want them to volunteer more because it's just amazing, just sitting around, just talking shop and seeing what everybody's from and the different practices everybody uses. And you gain so much from this week, not just what they do here, but what everybody else does on their home course. Relationships that's how I do business, is relationships. And I still have friends from the 2018 US Open that we're friends on Facebook. We communicate, we text message. These young kids that were interns and assistants at that time are now, some of them are superintendents. So it's just amazing to see their progression and follow their careers, and along with my own staff.
But it's about much more than personal benefits for Richardson. It's about being here to support his friend and doing whatever it takes to help the team.
Don't get caught up on what you're doing, because we all have an important cog in the wheel, and we're here not to mess it up for the staff that's worked so hard for years to put this together. So we're here to support them, and it's not necessarily just for us, it's for the people that work and have done the hard work here, particularly at the country club the last 3 or 4 years.
Not only have Johnson's leadership abilities paid dividends at the country club, but they've also been beneficial in his role within the local superintendent chapter. Volunteering to serve back-to-back terms as president, Johnson recruited Richardson to the board, where the two helped guide the chapter through difficult times. For Richardson, it's easy to see how the same traits that proved valuable in the boardroom have benefited the team at the country club as they've prepared for this year's major championship.
Dave is a leader. He's just unflappable. He doesn't get rattled, and I think that's perfect for an event like this. He just goes with the flow, makes the right decisions, very intelligent, very well, he thinks about things ahead of time, internally, and makes the right decision to move forward. He steadied the ship of the association. We had COVID and labor shortages and an exodus of superintendents that left a void on the board level, and Dave stepped up every single time.